Is there something going on with the cat that you're noticing?
I think she got hit by a car. We're not sure.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, since she moved over to this side, we'll start with that side first.
What is this machine?
So this machine is basically pushing those bones back in place. Okay, so I'm going to have you put your hand down here. Yep, there we go. All right. Just had to get that foot. It was definitely a little off, but you can see where it kind of got scratched up and hit right there. But everything's good for now. Yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
You did great.
I can hear
Like, go back to my comfort zone.